If you've never invested before, this is the only beginner's guide you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to invest in, how to get started, and what mistakes to avoid. First, let's answer the biggest question. What is investing? Investing is using your money to buy assets that have the potential to increase in value or generate income over time. Instead of letting your money sit in a bank account, you put it to work. Now let's look at the main asset classes. The first asset is stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small ownership stake in a company. If the company grows, your investment can grow too. Some companies also pay dividends, which means they share part of their profits with shareholders. The second asset is ETFs. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Instead of buying one company, an ETF lets you buy dozens or even hundreds of companies with a single investment. For beginners, this is one of the easiest and safest ways to start investing because your money is automatically diversified. The third asset is index funds. Index funds are designed to track an entire market, like the S&P 500. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks, you invest in the whole market. The fourth asset is real estate. You can buy rental property, invest through REITs, or use real estate crowdfunding in some countries. Real estate can provide rental income while the property increases in value over time. The fifth asset is bonds. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a government or company. Bonds are generally less risky than stocks, but they usually offer lower returns. The sixth asset is commodities. This includes gold, silver, oil, and other raw materials. Many investors use gold as a hedge during uncertain economic times. The seventh asset is cryptocurrency. Crypto has created massive gains for some investors, but it's also one of the most volatile investments. If you choose to invest, only invest money you're prepared to lose and make it a small part of your portfolio. Now here's how to build your first portfolio. If you're just starting out, many beginners keep most of their investments in diversified ETFs or index funds. As they gain more knowledge, they may add individual stocks, REITs, or other assets that fit their goals. The key isn't finding the perfect investment. The key is investing consistently. Set up automatic monthly investments. Keep adding to your portfolio. Ignore short-term market noise, and let compound growth work for you over the years. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. If you want to learn budgeting, investing, portfolio building, and wealth creation step by step, check out my Wealth Blueprint. It's designed to help beginners build a strong financial foundation. The link is in description. Subscribe for more videos on investing and building long-term wealth.